So we're gonna start with the two-step photo molding. For the maxilla, you holding for 10 seconds before you start doing the photo molding. The first movement is labial frenum pinching. Labial frenum area anterior pinching. So you can see the pinch the labial frenum. And the second movement is a maximum opening and closing. So first the heavy body around the border. Same two-step photo molding movement. So this heavy body will go around the border of denture or trying. And once this material set, now we're taking wash impression with the light body PVS. Again with the same two-step photo molding. So pinching upper lip and maximum open and close. Repeat these two-step movement until the material is set. And this is after you trim the excess around the teeth. So internally you can see the completed. Mandibular, also two-step photo molding. First one, lingual frenum and maximum open and close. So first, heavy body PVS around the border of denture or try-in. Following the two-step photo molding movement until the material is set. Then we're going to use the light body PVS material, again following the same two-step photo molding. Lift the tongue up and maximum opening and close. Repeat this movement until the material is set. And this is how it's look after you cut off the excess around the teeth, but internally this is how it should look. Then the last step is PVS bite registration, especially when you're using the try-in or the denture. Now, look carefully about the sequencing of the scanning after impression taken on either try-in or existing denture. As you notice, the scanning should follow from one position of the tuberosity and continuous scanning by using the zigzag motion. Do not jump around on different location because computer will not follow your quick movement. Therefore, you are using the swiping motion and continuous scanning. Make sure you have around the border rotating it. Now, after you complete the internal surface scanning and the border, now from the border, you continuously swiping down to capture the denture teeth on either existing denture or on existing try-in. So as you notice, instead of scanning on the teeth side only, I move up and down to have a minimum distortion about the picture registration. Once you have complete the scanning, the denture will be, without having any defect, will be very clean scan surface showing. Now let's take a look at the mandibular scanning sequence. Same as a maxillary, sequencing starts from one side of the pear-shaped path, and this time you need to scan buccal border and lingual border when you move around. So by rotating buccal lingually, you try to capture up to the border of the lingual to the buccal border line. So by doing this, you are eliminating mismatching error at the end. Now, before I'm moving on to the other side, I'm also scanning down so that denture teeth also capture on this scan. So when I scan the lingual border, buccal border, and also you also swipe down to the denture shape, teeth. Now I'm doing continuation on the other side by moving lingual buccal, rotating it to cover the denture teeth shape scan, and continue on from the lingual vestibule and the buccal vestibule and covering the teeth. So make sure you watch and carefully follow the sequence where to scan first and how to complete, because that's eliminating unnecessary. The last one is bite scanning by holding the denture together and scan from the 6 to 11.